Is this evidence of the Sloot digital coding system? Once upon a time, a man was transferring a movie from his phone onto his flash drive. After a phone call interrupted this transfer, he discovered something. His 256 GB USB flash drive, with only 50 GB left of free storage, was empty. After a movie transfer was interrupted by a phone call, he discovered all of his data was somehow gone. How could 200 GB of data be completely gone in a time frame of 1 to 2 minutes? Not only was the movie transfer unsuccessful, but all of the data on it was gone too. How? His 256 GB USB drive is then scanned into a data recovery program, and the recoverable data has a total size of 1.4 terabytes. This is proof of some form of a hidden digital storage system on most likely all electronic devices equipped with storage capability. Storing 1.4 terabytes of data on a USB drive with a capacity of 256 gigabytes is only possible if the real storage capacity is much higher than what the product claims, or with a process such as the obscure Sloot digital coding system.
Sloot digital coding system. In the late 1990s, a Dutch electronics technician named Jan Sloot announced the development of the Sloot digital coding system, a revolutionary advance in data transmission that he claimed could reduce a feature-length movie down to a file size of just 8 kilobytes. He claimed that his way was different from the conventional and ritualistic 1 and 0 combination sheets. He further stated, "It is not about compression. Everyone is mistaken about that. The principle can be compared with the concept as Adobe PostScript, where sender and receiver know what kind of data recipes can be transferred, without the data itself actually being sent." He later demonstrated his invention to a number of Philips executives, where he used an old PC and played 16 movies simultaneously from a 64 kilobyte chip at a high speed, without reading from a hard drive. Strangely, after getting a bunch of investors, Jan experienced a heart attack a day before he could patent his invention, and his device was never recovered. Although it had attracted the interest of all the top investors of the industry, none was ever revealed the secret behind its functionality.
So, again I ask you, is this evidence of the Sloot digital coding system?